This one is a devastating one. It's a devastating story. A story that we have to reflect on our life, because this world we are in is not our home. One day we must leave. I saw a video of an excavator removing graves, removing a grave. The place is like a cemetery. I don't know the country this place is. From the way I see it, it's not Nigeria, but it's like a cemetery. The excavator was removing the grave. It was just pulling out everything. It's a moment of reflection. I don't know why such thing happened. I don't know, but I just saw the video. I was like, how would the family members feel seeing the grave of their loved one being bulldozed like that, just brought out, uprooted just like that? I don't know as I said earlier, I don't know the reason, only them know the reason. But before I will continue, let's watch this video. Okay, the only thing I have to say is whatever the reason is, let this just be a developmental, let it just be something that will bring development. Maybe they have sold the cemetery, or they want to develop, turn it to another thing. As far as it's something that will bring development to the place, I think it's okay, because person well don't buy, don't buy. There is nothing you can do about it. But if it's on another angle, though why I believe this would not be on another angle, you know what I mean? Maybe they hustle, they struggle, fight for the land or whatever. Because as far as it's not Nigeria, I believe it's not that, because this is the case you normally see in Nigeria, where two groups will be fighting for the land. Before you know it, the one with the upper hand will involve the government and does everything. But if that's the case, if it's a case of developing the area, no problem.